My name is Cynthia Minet, and I'm here at the Torrance Art Museum with my installation Seconds to Last, which is my first inflatable sculpture. Normally I make sculptures of endangered and domesticated animals out of recycled plastics. But when I was invited by Sune to make a piece for this show, I wanted to try something new that was easy to transport and gonna challenge me in new ways. I often assign my students to make an inflatable sculpture in groups, and so I was quite surprised at how, challenging this was to construct. But focusing on the fact that the rhino, the northern white rhino, is almost extinct. There's only 2 left in the world. I wanted to address that in this piece, and there's lighting inside that is designed by Von Hannon, who I've worked with before. And what happens is the lights slowly extinguish. The colors of the chakras are kind of like rainbow hues, and what happens with the sculpture is the lights slowly extinguish so that you're left in the dark with this presence to get across the point of extinction of the subspecies. The materials that the piece is made from are repurposed camping tents that neighbors of mine gave me that had been to Burning Man. And I wanted to use the tents to sort of make a parallel between what we see as, homelessness in our city, tents everywhere, the sort of parallel between the unsustainability of an economics based on greed and profit, how that is also contributing to the demise of the rhino who is hunted for their horns.